let's tweet about this. It would help if I included my Twitch URL. Let's try that again. Okay, Twitter, thank you. My tweet has been deleted. Can you, like, let me tweet again? God. Alright, let's grab this tweet URL. And tweet. All right. Tweeting accomplished. All right, let's play with some tools. I don't think anybody's watching yet, but I was working with somebody earlier and on one of my rubber duck pairing sessions, and we needed to quickly sketch out some domain concepts, and we wound up using Lucid Chart, which Lucid Chart is actually a really good choice for this stuff, if especially if you like painting things using a mouse. It is pretty great. You just kind of throw shapes on a board, and you can very easily and quickly draw lines between them and stuff like that. It's super nice. And what I really like is, like, you can put text along the lines, and like at multiple places along the lines, which is really useful and missing from a lot of diagramming tools. Yeah, Lucid Chart is pretty darn good, but it's for laying things out visually, which is often what you want. Not always what you want. Sometimes you just want to describe some concepts and have a diagram appear like magic. And I knew I'd seen some tools that did this, and I couldn't remember what they were called. Fortunately, I have an adjunct brain called Twitter. All right, Plant UML. Let's take a look at this one. What is Plant UML? Plant UML in a nutshell. Diagrams are defined using a simple and intuitive language. Images can be generated in PNG, SVG, or LaTeX format. Okay, so this is online demo server. This looks like it's maybe software that would normally be downloaded. Start now. This looks like an ad. That looks like an ad. Is that an ad? Very confused by this website. All right, I already don't like this website. I can't tell if I'm clicking on ads here or if I'm, yeah, sponsored searches. So this is a whole lot of sponsored stuff around an actual website. Wow, this is like mostly ads. Is Plant UML software that I can, like, install? Well, it exists as the Choco package, so that's promising. Oh boy, it's dependent on a JRE. So this is Okay, you know what? I'm going to let that just plug away in the background and take a look at some of these other tools. I'm more interested in stuff that's online, on the web. Mermaid. Well, that's hard to Google, but let's go ahead and Google Mermaid UML and see what we get. Mermaid. Simple markdown-like script language for generating charts from text via JavaScript. Try it using our editor. Now that's what I like to hear. All right, let's split this between editor and documentation. Whoops. Interesting. Is this live? This is live. Excellent. Okay, so I guess we start with something to say what kind of diagram it is. Graph. All right. Things linked to things. All right. I just ate some chili. Chili links to beans, obviously. Chili also links to, well, in this case, corn. Tomatoes. That's pretty cool. What else goes in chili? Chili powder. That didn't work. I wonder if we need quotes. That didn't work either. Intriguing. Single quotes? No such luck. Interesting. Well, that is actually exactly the sort of thing I was looking for, so that's super neat. Sequence diagrams. That's useful. I like sequence diagram tools because sequence diagrams are actually kind of a hassle to draw. Semicolon? All right, so we got participants. Oh, wow. Note right of. Okay, let's just go ahead and throw this whole thing in here. Alice. So we just got like a single arrow. What does this do? Oh, okay, so we got different kinds of lines. Are these tabs? I'm not sure. No, these are spaces. Okay. Note right of John. That's really cool. Hey, look at that. Well, okay. All right, so that's super cool. I approve of this tool. Now, I see this is a demo server, so I guess this is mainly intended for like embedding in a page with some fixed code, rather than like use our online service to make your diagrams. We can download an SVG here, that's nice. Ooh, and a link to view. Okay, so we could like link to this. And we get just the image. That's great. Okay. Super cool. All right, so that's Mermaid, and it's great. Ooh, plugins. Oh, cool. Mermaid preview for VS Code. Ooh, cool. Okay, this I have to try. I'll be right back. I am going to put some tea in this mug. All right, I'm back. Is anybody still here? Nope, everybody left. All right, I wanted to check out this mermaid thingy. Wait, was this mermaid or plant UML? Yeah, this is mermaid. Mermaid preview. Or markdown preview, mermaid support. That's cool. Let's do mermaid preview. I need to start scheduling these streams in advance so that people know that they're coming up. Installing. Okay. While that's installing, what else do we have here? Oh, actually, out of curiosity, is there a plant UML thingy for this too? Yes, there is. Let's go ahead and install that while we're at it. All right. Where'd that tweet go? There it is. All right, mermaid. nomnoml.com. I looked at this earlier and it was pretty cool. Isn't this nice? I find this visually pleasing. So we've got text over here. We've got image over here. Got about, language reference, export. What does it export to? PNG and SVG. Neat. Language reference. Oh, look at that. Language reference right there on the side. I like this. This is nice. Ooh, okay. Let's play with this. Wait, why are we frozen up? No! Okay, let's get rid of the ad for now. All right, so I was talking about chili earlier. Wow, the editor supports a subset of Sublime text key mappings. Fancy stuff. Usage. Car has an engine. Owns. Knows its manufacturer. Depends on fuel. All right, so I guess these things. Oh, okay. If we want a box around it, we look at that. We put brackets around it. Nice. Car. Let's just say that it inherits from. Let's say chili inherits from stew. Interesting. Okay. Wow, we can actually have like the attributes and stuff. Chili. I don't know. Let's see. There has a quantity. Hint? I don't know. I guess this is like whatever you want. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so it has a quantity. It also has ingredients. So how does this work? But these have to be escaped. Okay. Now, if I have a ingredient out here, that doesn't actually like draw a line to it, does it? No. Okay. But I could be like, no. Okay, let's try this. Ingredients. There we go. So this is owns? Oh, okay, yeah, this is like classic. Classic UML stuff. Operations, internal parts. Ooh, attach notes. I like when we can do notes. Look at that. Internal parts, styles. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. It's clean. If you want UML diagrams, it seems to support a lot of them, a lot of the parts of one. Super cool. All right. We've got this one called Gleek.io. Which, just side note, I really feel like this should be a website for Glee fans of the show Glee, because they call themselves Gleeks. But that's okay. It can be a UML site. Well, that's loading. What else do we have here? Have I ever used Racket's picked library? No, I haven't, but I don't want to. That's not the kind of tool I'm looking for right now. And then we got yuml.me. Is Gleek loaded? What are you doing? This loaded for me earlier. This is cool. Okay, interesting style. I am somewhat confused by the syntax here. It sort of looks like the syntax from this. I don't know, just out of curiosity. Is this like the same parser underneath? Yeah, it is the same parser underneath. Okay, so these share something in common. Or it's roughly the same parser. I wonder if there's an underlying language that these all implement. Maybe this will tell me what like actual language this is. Maybe it's one of these libraries. What is JSON? JavaScript parser generator. Nope. Daggery. Directed graph layout for JavaScript. Okay, no. Okay, so this, I don't know. Don't know. But yeah, it does seem to be the same, or at least a related language to whatever the one that Uml implements. It's kind of fun that they're like pseudo hand-drawn. I thought it was already a scruffy one. Boring. Plain. Scruffy. Alright. Got shareable URLs. PNG, PDF, ooh. JPEG, JSON, and SVG. That's pretty sweet. Activity samples. Nice. Wait, does this thing doesn't support other types of this one over here doesn't support other types of diagram, does it? No, that makes it sad. Okay. These commas. This is really hard to read when it's all on one line. Start to A. Okay, so A is like one of these lines. One more coffee, make coffee. That one's a little bit, that syntax is a little harder to wrap my brain around. Okay, so interesting. But I like the nom-nomal better. What about this one? Is this one ever going to load? Aha, here we go. Create diagram to get started. Alt-H will bring up the help menu. Press slash in the editor to see some templates. Look at that little video. All right. Okay, so I can just start typing things and get boxes. Ooh, we got autocomplete. All right, you have my attention. What was it? Alt-H for help. Create shape, create group, connect current shape to all shapes. Format input, export image. All right. Chili. Beans, corn, tomatoes. Onions. Rice. All right. Chili is composed of these things. How do you do connections again? Little lines. That makes sense. All right. And oh, look at the autocomplete. It's so cool. Well, clearly chili has beans. Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay, so that's just a line. This is a line with an arrow. That is magically connecting to everything. Okay, whatever, fun. Do I actually need corn there now that I've got a connection thing? Doesn't look like it. All right. So like I could just do the rest of these by doing this. Whoops. All right, now chili doesn't contain rice, but it's certainly associated with rice. All right, good enough. Can I scooch these around by any chance? No, I can scooch the whole diagram around. Connection lines. Oh, that's fun. So we can change the style of the connection lines. Standardized shape width. Or not. Orientation. That's nice. Okay, this tool is amazing and I love it. Websequencediagrams.com. Last one to look at. I feel like I've seen this one before. I've used this before, yeah. I used this for a talk slide. So this is similar to some of the others we were looking at. Very similar language too. I feel like, yeah, it's similar to the Mermaid one. Let's see if this is the same language. Oops. Well, we've got a syntax error. Oh, but it's just for this line. Yeah, so this is the exact same language, whatever that is. Again, I want to know what these standardized languages that they're using are called. I feel like I've seen a definition of this language before. But I don't know what it's called, or I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, I like the sort of hand-drawn look that this comes up with. Very informal. Is this thing done? Yes. And is this thing done? Not yet. All right, whatever, I'll let that do whatever it's doing. What was the other one? Oh yeah, Mermaid. So open a file containing a mermaid diagram, choose preview mermaid diagram, move cursor in. Okay, so let's just open a new file. And okay, which one is mermaid? This one is mermaid. Chili goes to beans. Do I need to save this? Whoops, wrong button. Dot mermaid, I guess? I don't know. This doesn't work so well. Oh, maybe it doesn't reload automatically. Let's try it this way. No, no idea. Doesn't work. At least doesn't work as advertised. Detects mermaid diagrams in the following formats. Do I need to do like this? Oh. Huh. All right. I don't know why there are two of them. Alright, that seems a little buggy, but cool. Whatever. Oh, hey, Federico. Plant UNML. Yeah, I'm still installing Plant UML. That's what I'm installing here, right? Yeah, I'm still installing that because it needed to install a JRE. Mermaid, I think, is all JavaScript. This plugin is a little flaky, though. Could try installing this one. And then doing a markdown document. That is not the button I wanted to hit. All right. Save as dot markdown. All right. Oh, I don't have Markdown Preview installed, do I? That would help. Wait, it's supposed to have built-in Markdown Preview. Maybe I just need to reload this. That accomplished nothing. Oh, wait, something. Here we go. Yay! All right. Chili also contains tomatoes. Excellent. And this is also markdowns, we can say. Very cool. Okay. So I can use this as markdown quite easily. That's neat. Are you done yet? Nope. Okay, well, with the exception of local plant UML, which is still installing dependencies, I think I've gone through most of the replies that people sent me. Definitely some very cool tools here. NomNomML was definitely a standout. Where was that? NomNomML. Very clean, very nice interface. And then Gleek is super slick. Very impressed with that one. So there are definitely some options out there if you don't want to draw your diagrams. All right. Yeah, I don't feel like waiting for this on the stream, so I think I'm gonna... Federico, no, they do not all use the same syntax, although a number of them seem to use the same syntax, and I'm not sure, like, I feel like there's probably a name for that, but I don't know what it is. I feel like I've seen something. Okay, I'm looking up something off screen because I feel it. No, this is not. Now, there's this other thing called DITAA. I'll bring this on screen. that converts ASCII diagrams into visual diagrams. That is not this syntax. Yeah, there's like a common syntax here, and I don't know what it's called. I feel like it must have a name. I think this Java download has just frozen. Good job. All right, yeah, I think I'm going to sign off for now. So thank you to everyone who watched. Bye.